I know, the flies are just everywhere, aren't they? Nom nom nom. There you go. 3 nummy nom noms. Good for you? Yeah? Thank. Hi, pretty girl. Nom nom nom. Oh, slobbery. Goodness. Say, we're still going to have to shave you down. This weather is getting too hot already. We're supposed to be in the hundreds tomorrow and Tuesday with high humidity. You are drooling. Oh my God, nobody wants that kiss. Mwah. Nobody wants that kiss. What's up, preggy girl? You want your treaties? Nom nom nom. Say, I now understand what treat time is. Crunchies Time is good stuff. Yes. Oh goodness, so tasty. Yes. Good stuff, baby girl. Huh? Yeah. Are you in prison? Say, I'm unfairly incarcerated in the stall with the mister. There you go. What do you want, sir? Are you her warden? She's like, I need all the treaties. I'm the pregnant one. You just look like you're the pregnant one. Kidding. You look so nice. So good. Good kisses from you. Good kisses.